So the new track and field season is just about up and running. And as we build towards Boys and Girls Champs 2020, we understand that some of the top schools are stepping up their recruiting of foreign athletes. We hear that Boys Champions Kingston College have some Kenyans lining up in purple, while some other schools are looking to the Caribbean for reinforcements. In principle, I have no problem with the free movement of talent. I mean, Jamaican athletes have been recruited to U.S. colleges for decades, and the general practice of recruitment remains sound and reasonable. My concern is with the increased desperation of some schools to win champs. And to what end? I think the achievement of winning champs is overrated in the wider scheme of things. And instead of breaking the bank to win champs, we should be prioritizing the development and the maximizing of the potential of these young athletes. For far too long, the potential and the future of several super talented young athletes have been sacrificed and destroyed for the purpose of winning champs. And with this incessant push to win champs after champs after champs, I am genuinely concerned for the future of some of the top local talent being recruited by these champs winning schools. So as we head into the champs season and beyond, I want all Jamaica to simply think on these things. And speaking of running and champs, the Maverick have to run.